Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2018 Challenger SXT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, GPS antenna input, media hub, 2 USB-O, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4 with 7 display, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.